Yeah, hi guys, good morning. And today we can discuss on AI agent engineer. And I started learning on AI agent engineer. So I want to share my knowledge. That's why I'm taking these sessions. And first I'll explain and what is mean by AI agent. I'll take one example. I want to travel New York to London, and I ask ChatGPT please book a ticket for me, and I'm not providing any details to the ChatGPT. Then it will take all points, like what is the best price and best route and best Airbus. And here it will take decisions, it will think, and it will provide the outputs. And this is we can call it as travel agent. And in our work, we can create one AI agent to automate our work. To prepare AI agent, we require here, this is the roadmap of AI agent engineer, Python, MCP, RAG, LLMs, tools. And with the help of these all, we can prepare AI agent. Here, LLM nothing but it is the largest language model. And we can say simply it is a brain. For this, we can provide all like tools, MCP, RAG, Python. With the help of these all, we can provide one AI agent to work on in a smart way. And this is the high level information of AI agent. And in the coming sessions, I'll take one session on Claude with complete information on ChatGPT also, like how we can use Claude and what options we have in the Claude. For example, at high level for the time being, and this is the Claude interface you can get here. And if you open the Claude in the Google, you can get like in this way, and you have place icon here. In the coming sessions, I'll explain 1 minute. Just I'm checking whether it's recording or not. Yeah. Okay. In the coming sessions, coming to this one, in the coming sessions, I'll explain and this is the 2 points we know, and I will explain this like what I mean by project, and what I mean by skills here, how we can add skills here, and what I mean by connectors here. Just high level skills, nothing but for example, I'm working on a Power BI. In the Power BI, we can create dashboards manually. It will take maybe around 1 to 3 days. But with the help of Claude here, we can add like skills here. Skills nothing but for example, I'll type here Power BI skills Claude. And if you open this one, this is already added by the other developers, and we can take these all skills here. And this is we can select MD files, mark it down, and we can download these all files. We can upload here under skills, and with the help of connectors, we can connect to the Power BI here. Power BI desktop, we can monitor data here. We can prepare dashboards within 5 to 10 minutes. That is the best thing of Claude we can do. I will explain the coming sessions all this how we can add skills and connectors and how we can prepare dashboards. This is high level information of Claude. And in today's session, and we can start learning on Python. And these are the points we can discuss in the Python. And Python is a vast one. And with the help of Python, we can do many things. I think all people know we can work with in machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. It contain like vast of libraries. But for the AI agent, we not require complete Python. Just we require basics and what are data types we have, identifiers, keywords, and how we can create functions, classes, and how we can handle error handling, in the Python. We can learn these points in the Python. And give me a minute. Yeah, sorry guys. And here in today's session, we can discuss on Python, and these are topics. And in the Python, like we can write the code in different ways with the IDEs. Like we can use Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and we can write code in the visual code also. And we have multiple ways. But I'm taking like a web browser, and this is like it is a Google Colab, and this is a web browser. Directly we can write Python script here, and this is the way we can open the Google Colab, and you can get interface like in this way, Google Colab. And here we can create notebooks, and we can write our Python scripts. And these are the icons we can get here. And these are the scripts which I wrote earlier. And we have to log in our Gmail account. We can save our files to the our Google Drive also. This is the GitHub. You can share, you can store our scripts here. And next one, upload. And here, if you are earlier you have any scripts or any notebooks, any Python scripts, you can upload here. And this is about the points on notebook. And quickly I'm going to the click on notebook. If you click on notebook, yeah, give a minute, it is coming. Okay, you can get like in this way. And this is the interface of Google Colab. And here we can write the Python scripts. And here the extension is like IPYNB. I nothing but interactive, PY nothing but Python, NB nothing but notebook. And if you see options here, and this is the code, and what scripts we can write here. This is the text document, and this is like execute button. And next again, you can get like here connect option. And next again here we have some files here. And next again we have multiple options here. Okay, fine. And here if you observe here, and this is the provided by the web browser. The RAM is 12.5 GB and disk is like around 107 GB, which we get come from the Google Colab. Okay, and quickly I'm going for the Python, the first topic, keyboard. Sorry, keywords. And just I'm writing here import keyword. And this is the nothing but a library, and we can use import. From here I'm taking writing print keyword kw list keyword list. If you run on this one, you can get like these are keywords of Python language. Here, what is mean by keyword? In every language, we can get something keywords. Like for example, if you take SQL, you can get like select, from, join, on. These all are like keywords. In every language, we have some keywords like that in Python also. And these all are like keywords. For example, see false, none, true. and the class and continue break a definition we can use to create for the function. These all are keywords here, and we can check like how many keywords we have. Total I'm taking here, total number of keywords. I'm taking length function. I'm taking keyword dot get up list. Can it will count like how many keywords in the Python, and the total spelling is wrong. Sorry. Okay, total number of keywords or 35. Okay, why I'm saying this all keywords here? See, in the Python, for example, I'm taking one keyword false. I'm taking equals to assigning one value. If you print like here false, we can get like error here because here we cannot assign values to false because it is a keyword, and we cannot use for this for the function name and the class name and module name. We cannot take these names. These names are only for keywords. There's nothing but this already used by the Python for the keyword like and class. So we cannot assign any values to the keywords. I'll take one more example. So just I'm modifying this to the in this way. Now see, I'm printing this one. One false I'm taking here. This is also invalid. Just I'm taking here. We cannot start with one number. Just I'm taking here. This is also rule of Python. The variable don't have to start with the one number. Okay, now see, you can get here apple. Now see, I'm changing the keyword to by adding this small number, and it is a different one. We can use this as a variable. We're assigning one value to the this variable or object we can say, and it is not throwing an error, and we are getting the apple here. Nothing but simple one word, and we cannot use these keywords as creating of variables, function names, and class modules any other. If you use these keywords, you can get error like in this way. Okay, and this is about the keyword, and the next one is like identifier, and I prepare one notes also on these are the nodes of identifier. First I'll explain here, then we can go with the identifier. Identify nothing but and the namings of a we can say maybe variable name or class name or module names. These all are belongs to the identifiers. I'm taking like a equal to I'm taking here list. I'm taking here. I'm taking here apple and I'm taking mango. I'm taking here and the kiwi fruits. Kiwi. Okay, this is the list I'm taking. And here A we can start it as we can say it as like it is one identifier. And one more point, Python is a case sensitive language. See here, you can get error here. See, we have to use in the small letters only. Nothing but here. I'll say one example. And where here where these two are not same. These two are different. It is a case sensitive language. Okay, and this is about the one identifier. I'll take one more example. I'll create one function I'm taking function name as add two numbers. Two numbers. I'm taking here two variables as a comma b. Enter. I'm taking here return a plus b. I'm taking here. Let's run this one. Print add 2 3 comma 5. Okay, now see here add two numbers is a one identifier, and here a is one identifier, is a variable, and this is the function name. Nothing identify nothing, but we can use this identifier for creating of variables, classes, functions, and modules. And this is about the identifier. We have nodes also. See, these are the points of identifier. In Python, identifier names given to the variables, functions, classes, modules, other objects. And these are rules like the characters are start from with a to Z or A to Z or underscore, and consists of 0 to 9 underscore, and it's a case sensitive language. Here no digit, just now added one before the false, right? You can get like error. You don't have to start with the digit numbers, and we cannot use like keywords in the creation of identifiers, as I said earlier. And also we cannot use like special characters for identifiers. These are points of identifiers. And this is the examples. Mm, and these all like this is one identifier, and 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 these all are like variables. We're assigning values to the variable. And second one, creation of a function, and this is the like identifier name, and this is also class, and this is also like one identifier name. This is about the identifiers we can use in the Python. And next point is like multi-line statements. See, in Python, this is very important. For example, I'm taking this one. Okay, see, mm, uh, let I'm taking here variable name a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and c is equals to a plus b. Just I need to add one comment here. Like this is useful for to add two numbers, and this is the comment we can say. This is the first way we can comment in the Python. See, I'm taking print c 30. For example, if I remove this one, you can get like error. So to comment any string data or in the script, if you want to understand clear to other people, and if you want to comment, we can use the hash before the starting of the word. This is the one way to add comment. And second approach, this is the for the single line. Now I'm taking for the multi-line strings. How we can add comment? I'm taking a is equals to 10, and b. I'm taking simple example to understand clearly. In the coming sessions, we can take something high level discussion on programming language. C is equals 50. I'm taking d is equals to a plus b plus c. I'm taking here single quotes. Just I'm adding randomly. These variables contain the integer values, and d variable will provide the addition of three numbers. Okay, I'm printing here. Okay, sorry, this is 1 2 3. Okay, fine. Just I'm printing here d. Now see, How much you can get here? 90. And this is the one way to add the comment in the Python. And second approach, the first approach is the hash, second approach this one, and we have third approach also. Instead of taking the single, and we can take here double. 1 2 3. Okay, we can say this is a double, and we can say it as triple quotes. Okay, and here this is the one, and we are taking here double. And in this way also we can add the comments to the Python. You won't get an error. And how many ways we can add the comment? The first way is with the help of hash. Second approach with the help of single triple quotes. With the help of third one, double triple quotes. And these are the comments we can do in the Python. 3 ways. Okay. And next one we can see multi-line statements. And this is the very important single line and multi-line statements. See, I'm taking here a is equals to 10. And this is a single line statement. Okay, I'm taking here print of a, and this is the single line statement. Next, I'm taking multi-line statement. I'm taking here a is equals to, I'm taking here list. Apple. Next, I'm taking mango. I'm taking random names. Next, I'm taking kiwi fruits. Okay, and this is, we can say it as multi-line statement. And here by default, if it is in brackets, you won't get any errors. Okay, 1 minute. You have to follow the indentation. Okay, and this is like multi-line statement. I'll take one more example. I'm taking here b is equals to, I'm taking dictionary. I'm taking name. I'm taking here Prasad Yadav, and next I'm taking here as ID. And here I'm taking 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just I'm taking random numbers, and this is the multi-line script here. I'm taking here, you won't get an error now. Now the next one, see, you can get error here, and this is the important. I'm taking here, see, just I'm taking here enter. Print a. If I run this one, it will throw error. It is a, you're writing the code here 2 lines, but these two are different. If you want to combine these two, we can use here backslash. Now I'm running this one, you won't get an error. Nothing but we're combining these two numbers with the help of backslash. Nothing but we are saying like that this with the help of backslash, this complete belongs to one code only, to the, if we are informing to the variable. Okay, and this is like multi-line statements with the help of backslash. We're combining, concatenating to the entire one word to the variable. I'm taking one more example. I'm taking here big string a is equals to, I'm taking here, hi guys, welcome to my session. I'm taking concatenation. Today discuss on Python basics. Okay, I'm taking one more word here. Basics one, I'm taking keyword. keyword, and I'm taking variables. Okay. Now see, with the help of backslash, we are saying this complete code is belongs to one line, and we are saying to the variable. I think, but in the real sessions, in the project, we can write multiple lines of code, and we cannot write complete one code in the one line. In that case, it will be very useful with the help of backslash. Now see, I'm going to try to this print CA. Now see, you can get like in this way. Okay, if you need some space after sessions, you can give some space here directly. See, now you got space after sessions. And this is the multi-line statements. And see, if you observe here for a square bracket and for curly bracket and for the other also, like this is like for this all not require any backslash here. And this is the tuple, this is the curly bracket, and this is the list. These all these for these all three not require any like backslash. If you observe here, we're not taking any backslash here. Directly it will like we can say it is like implicit multi-line statements, but this is like explicit. We need to add backslash here to won't get any errors in the script. And okay, and this is about the multi-line statements. In today class we learn on keyword, and next again identifies, and next again we learn on how to comment the Python in the Python three ways, and we learn on single line and multi-line statements. In the next class, we can discuss other topics, and please share and subscribe to your friends, and we can stop the session. Thank you. Bye.